Hi everyone, I'm Sunil Kaulgi, the creator of Outclip. So I'm going to show you a quick productivity tip that's going to save you almost 30 minutes every day, probably even more. So I have this really bad habit where if I'm kind of on my computer, I open the browser, open a new tab and type in reddit.com or news.google.com. And before I realize, I've spent 30 minutes just browsing through meaningless information, news, posts, social media, Twitter, etc. So I've thought hard about it and tried to figure out how can I like prevent myself from going to being distracted by these websites. But the problem is muscle memory, right? So automatically, my fingers feel itchy and they open a new tab and type in a website name. The only solution to this problem is not disciplining myself really, but is to have my browser block these websites. So I searched for a tool for a long time and I recently came across one that does the job. And I'm going to show you how I did it and how I end up blocking these websites in my browser. So I'll give you a quick demo. So here I open a new tab and let's type reddit.com. Now I've set up my browser to block reddit.com so that when I type in the URL, I get this page that says this page has been prevented from loading. So this is what we want to accomplish. We want to block certain websites which we think are time sinks and hopefully reclaim some of our time back. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did this. And so for that, I have a Chrome extension. I'm going to delete it so I can reinstall and show you all the steps. Okay, so the first step is to go to the Chrome extension store. I type Chrome extensions in Google, open the Chrome Web Store, and here I look for the extension called uBlock Origin. So uBlock Origin is quite a popular Chrome extension. As you can see, it's got over 10 million users. It's one of the top Chrome extensions for blocking ads on websites. So you find a lot of websites have all these banner ads and all kinds of kind of crap. And uBlock Origin helps to kind of remove all of those when you're surfing websites. Okay, so let's go ahead and add uBlock Origin to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Okay, so now we have the uBlock Origin, the extension installed on my Chrome browser. Okay, now let's type in reddit.com. And as you can see, the web page loads. So our goal is to block reddit.com. Just to use an example, maybe you find you're really productive using Reddit. Just to give an example, like it could be Twitter, it could be Facebook, it could be Google News, whatever your website that's your major time sink that you can target for blocking. Okay, so in order to set up to block a website, you click on the uBlock Origin Chrome extension icon on the top right here and click on open the dashboard. Now here you have several tabs on top. You've got settings, filter lists, my filters. So my filters is the one we're interested in, and that's the one you use to block websites. So click on my filters, and here we type the website that we want to block. Let's say I want to block Reddit, I want to block Twitter, and I want to block Google News. So once I've entered the websites here, I click on apply changes. Now let's try reloading reddit.com. And voila, the website is blocked. So what we did was we added this Chrome extension called uBlock Origin to Chrome, and we set up uBlock Origin to block certain URLs, which included reddit.com. And when I try to open reddit.com in my browser, I get this page. So the next time my fingers are itching to open a new tab and type in reddit.com or news.google.com, uBlock Origin catches it and prevents me from going to that website. So this way, it kind of is like a wake-up call, and it helps me to kind of refocus and say, okay, I really didn't mean to open that website. I was just feeling itchy. My fingers were feeling itchy, so I had to type something up. So this is a way to help yourself from kind of browsing websites that you would rather be doing other things with that same time. All right, so I hope this helps, and that's another productivity tip from Outclip. And until next time, happy recording.